Good day, everybody. Ricardo Mendiola, credit and real estate expert. Today, I want to talk about inactivity on your credit cards. When you don't use certain credit cards, which is understandable, I only use one credit card, the one that gives me the best rewards for using it. All the other ones I don't use. If you don't use your credit cards, that credit card company will eventually close that credit card. It's happened to me. So I'm teaching you through my hard lessons, right? So if you don't use it for a long period of time, they will close it. So what do? What I do is on the credit cards that don't give me a lot of rewards for using them, I put small bills on. I put my gas bill on one, my water bill on the other, my gym on the other, and then all my other transactions go on the other credit card, the one that I use a lot because they reward me with points. But by putting some type of monthly activity on all my credit cards, they will not close them. And as I've taught you before in previous videos, the longer that you've had your credit cards, the longer that you've had your credit, the more points you'll be rewarded. So that's a tip to not get your credit cards closed by the credit card company. I hope this helps you out. If you have any further questions, you could comment or you could call me directly. Thank you very much.